Chandelier time. I didn't bring mine. No, I still have that one. I lost the one that I bought the first day that I used it. That could have been it.
Those heavy baits will tell you how good your knots are real quick.
Yeah. That, and I only had it on like 15-pound fluoro. There we go.
Yeah. Good one?
No. He's okay. He's okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So, that's a swim jig. All right. Didn't take too long. See you, buddy.
27-pound bag, and then the next day, I'm like, Drew, come on. I'm texting him pictures of 6-pound smallmouth, like, every 5 minutes.
There we go. Better. Much better. Yeah. Get in there. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh, he swallowed that. There we go. There we go. It's nice. Like 2 3/4. Long fish. All right. All right. It's like a 2 3/4. Almost 3, maybe.
You know what I'm getting you for Christmas, right?
I don't know. Did it scale?
The only person I've ever met that underweighs a fish.
I don't want to get all boasty. It's, you know, make people not believe me.
You're holding the 5, you're like, yeah, it was good 3.
Not all the way. Oh!
What was it?
It was a perch. Followed my swim jig up. That's cool. Hey, there are fish back here. All right. Not bad. Decent one. Come here. Okay. Yeah. Come here. Gotcha. Okay, not bad. A pound, pound and a quarter, pound and a half-ish. On a drop shot. See you, buddy. It's not like we're not getting rain. There we go. Got one.
That's still your swim jig?
Yep. Look at dude. Yeah. All right. Number 4. Little guy. Not bad. See ya. Hey, here we go. Nice. Good. That's another decent one. Northern. Pretty good. Another one on the old old swim jig. It's not the best place to put a hook, but nice fish. See you, dude.